How to hide friends from seeing your Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Instagram application, what you can simply do over here is you can make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of the screen and simply you can click a random picture or a video over here. I'm going to click a random picture, and as I click a random picture over here, so what you'll be able to see is the option to post it. So let's tap on it and click a picture. So let's wait. So just make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So let's redo the process again. Click on a story or click a random picture, and as we click a random picture, what you can see is the option to post on your story, where you'll be able to share this with all of your friends. But if you want to hide friends, simply tap on close friends, where you can add the number of people or just add some particular person that you'd want to share it with. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.